What is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with the study of design and operation of chemical plants as well as methods of improving production. For your information, chemical engineers develop economical commercial processes to convert raw materials into useful products by using implementation of principles from chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, and economics.
Misconception of chemical engineering. There are several misconceptions about chemical engineering caused among the students and people nowadays. For the first misconception is chemical engineering involves a lot of chemistry. That is not true. Only 10% of chemistry apply in this course and the 90% physics and math. For the next misconception, chemical engineers works in energy. That is true. A lot of chemical engineers work on energy areas such as oil and gas. But not only that, chemical engineers also can work in health for designing future medicines. Also food for smart packaging detect food poisoning, and water for combating sewer corrosion industries. For the most common misconception happen among the student and people is it chemical engineers are the same as a chemist? The answer is no. For chemist degree, there are strong focus on chemistry. The include courses is physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry, and inorganic chemistry. In chemistry degree, the student get a very deep understanding on how chemical reaction work. And for chemical engineering degree, give the student fundamental knowledge in chemistry but focus primarily on applied math and physics. This degree include courses like calculus, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and mass transfer. Overall, the combination of these courses give the student the knowledge to apply chemistry in engineering process. So you can see that there are two different things in chemical engineering and as a chemist. For chemical engineering, we focus more on temperature, pressure for the mass transfer for engineering purposes. And for chemists, it's only for the chemical reaction work. For your information, chemical engineering also one of the most challenging courses around the world. As you can see here, chemical engineering are at number 2 ranking of the most challenging course. But not to worry, with patience and consistency, I think everyone can get through it.
Next, I will explain the concept of chemical engineering. The concept of chemical engineering is divided into three. The first one is plant design and construction. The second one is process design and analysis. The third one is transport phenomena. Plant design and construction is the creation of plant specification and economy analysis for pilot plant, new plant, or plant modification. It is usually coordinated by project engineers and project managers depending on the size of the investment. Process design and analysis have two unit operations. The first one is filtration, which is used to prepare reactant. The second one is oxidation nitrification, which is the conversion of material by biochemical, thermochemical, or other means. Transport phenomena is a process involving fluid dynamics, heat transfer, and mass transfer, which is governed by momentum and energy transfer and transport of chemical species respectively.
Next, we will move on to to the career paths available. There are many career paths to pursue after graduating from this course. The common career paths are: first, the oil and gas industry; second, pharmaceutical industries; third, industries that handle basic or specialty chemicals; and fourth, research, process development, or as production engineers. Today, chemical engineering is a growing demand because chemical engineers plays an important role in environmental sustainability. Why? Because chemical engineers they provide cleaner alternatives to produce energy, plastics, food products, and paints. Sometimes there will also be career shifts where some graduates do not stick to the profession that is stated before. Many move to project management where they are responsible for overseeing project schedules and budgets, while others may move into technical sales engineering where they have a hands-on role helping customers solve problems.
Next, let's move to chemical engineering vs other engineering fields. First, we have chemical engineering vs electrical engineering. Chemical engineering deals with the testing regarding food, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals products, while electrical engineers concern themselves with testing electrical equipment, working with computers such as coding and design. Second, we have chemical engineering vs civil engineering. In a process design, chemical engineer prepare a budget, evaluating production system, and modify it or come up with the design plan. Then, the design plan will be passed to civil engineer to find the best construction material needed to further develop the project. And lastly, we have chemical engineering vs mechanical engineering. In an overall process design, chemical engineers deals with unit operation, mass transfer, and energy balance. Mechanical engineer deals with subset regarding the unit operation and how to make the best configuration on the design project. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.